If you're wondering, what bank does Cash App use? Then you've come to the right place. Cash App partners with two different banks. One, Lincoln Savings Bank, and the other is Sutton Bank. Now that you know Cash App works with two different banks, you probably want to know which one is associated with your account. To find it out, open up Cash App on your device, and then on the bottom left side of the app, you'll either see a dollar amount or a bank icon. Simply tap on it, and it'll take you to the screen. From here, tap on routing number, and a pop-up will come up, and then tap on copy routing number from the pop-up menu. Once you're done with it, open up this webpage on your browser, and then paste in the copied routing number in the search bar and hit submit. It'll load up detailed information of your routing number. And here you can see, right next to bank, it'll show the name of the bank associated with your account. Well, I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up to see more videos like this, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.